Everyone, in today's video we will see how to set up the voicemail on PureTalk, iPhone and Android setup plus password change guide. So first set up voicemail using the keyboard. So open the phone app on the PureTalk phone and select the keyboard. Now press and hold the one key until the phone calls your voicemail. Then follow the automated instructions. First create a voicemail password or pin, then record your name. Now choose the default greeting or record a personal greeting. Then end the call after the system confirms that voicemail setup is complete. This is the standard setup process on most Android phones. Next, set up voicemail on iPhone. So open the phone app and tap voicemail at the bottom of the screen. Now tap setup now. If it appears, you can create and confirm your voicemail password. Now select default to use the standard greeting or custom to record your own. Then tap save to finish. Now set up visual voicemail on Android. So open the phone app and tap the three dots in the upper right corner. Now select settings, then tap voicemail and turn on visual voicemail if the option is available for your phone and line. Goodbye, thanks for watching.